What's up, guys? Michael Edward here, head trader at True Trading Group. On September 10th, another big sell-off day in the overall markets. The SPY, Dow, NASDAQ leading the way lower there again. On tech was a major lagger here today. But what we're going to talk about here on this video, guys, is professional technical analysis. And we're going to talk about a specific level that we've identified in the SPY that has become a major key level of resistance that we talked about yesterday. What I want every single one of you to do right now before you continue watching this video is go back and watch the video from the live stream that I posted on this YouTube channel yesterday. And I want you to go to the 1 hour, 21 minute, and 40-second mark. Okay, again, before you continue going on through this video, I'm going to show you on the 1 hour, 21 minute, and 40-second mark on my video, my live stream yesterday. I came on and I told everybody, guys, this is a key resistance level that I have identified on the SPY. If we cannot get back above it tomorrow, watch for us to roll back down and test 333 in the SPY. Not playing, I know the NFL is back, football is back here tonight, but I'm not playing Monday morning quarterback here, guys. Okay, this is now the second time that we've gone over specific levels on live streams the day before, and that trade game plan has worked out perfectly the very next day. So again, I'm going to talk to you guys about a very specific level here in the SPY, okay? And then I want you to go back and watch yesterday's live stream, the 1 hour, 21 minute, and 40-second mark, and you will see exactly when I break down that level. Let's talk about it, though, now here today, and you can go back and you can compare to that video from yesterday. And I want to show you guys how to conduct professional technical analysis. Professional technical analysis, the biggest thing that's going to separate a professional analysis from an amateur is the understanding of how to use multiple indicators together. Okay, one of the biggest components, I think, on a professional level technical analysis is understanding how specific technical indicators work in conjunction with one another. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys now this exact same level, all right, that I identified yesterday. I'm going to show you guys how that trade worked out today, or how the price action on that worked out today, and it did exactly what we talked about it doing yesterday. So a lot of people benefited and banked big time with some SPY put options today from that resistance level we talked about yesterday, and then rolled that thing all the way down towards 333. It was a huge move to the downside on the SPY. And I'm going to give you guys also, before I get into this breakdown, this technical analysis, and guys, I'm dead serious. I'm not kidding. I really want you to go watch yesterday's video and just fast forward to the 1 hour, 21 minute, and 40-second mark, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, that I said this yesterday. I want to give each and every single one of you that are watching this video right now an opportunity to become part of this, okay, and be part of this analysis, and to be live in chat with me when I'm making all of these trades, when I'm making all of this analysis. Come in and trade with me live, okay? I'm going to give you guys right now a 7-day trial to join True Trading Group for a one-time payment of just $3. Not reoccurring, one time. There's no obligation for you to do anything else further than that. But for $3, you can come and chat with me 3 days for the week, trade with me live, okay? Get all of this analysis. I'm also giving you guys 3 courses I put together that are guaranteed to make you guys better traders. And you're also going to get access to our Benzinga Pro news feed, our live Squawk Box news audio feed, and you're also going to get access to all of our trade history and our stock profile due diligence tool. All of that for 7 days for $3. Okay, 3 days in chat, 3 courses, 7 days of our due diligence stock profile tool, 7 days of our trade history, so you guys can see all the trades that I've made over time. You guys can come and check all of that out for just $3. Go to www.ttgthree.com. Again, ttgthree.com. It's just $3. Believe me, it's going to be the best $3 you've ever spent in your entire life. Let's get into this setup, guys. Let's get into this level. I want to show you exactly the level that we're talking about, and I'm serious. Not being facetious, or I'm being serious. Watch the video from yesterday, okay? Now, here's our level, okay? Let me actually pan forward so we don't even see today's action, okay? Because you're going to see this is exactly what we talked about yesterday in my video. It's exactly what happened here today. Now, as we look at yesterday's action, Yesterday's action, I said to myself, okay, we've got resistance here at 342.50. That was yesterday's high. But that 342.50 is a lot more significant than just yesterday's high. As I pan this out, I want to show you guys my Fibonacci retracement levels. When I draw my Fibonacci retracement levels on the 3-day sell-off, okay, we had this 3-day sell-off in the SPY. Okay, I'll go to the daily chart. You guys can see it on the daily chart, okay? Here's your 3-day sell-off on the SPY. And as I draw my Fibonacci retracement levels out, okay, from the closing price of that day prior of the gap down sell-off, I draw that Fibonacci level all the way down to that pivot low on the 3-day sell-off. And then what do you see? Let me pan that over. What do you see? The 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level lines up dead even with yesterday's high. So now you have two different indicators, yesterday's high and the 38.2 Fibonacci level on that 3-day sell-off, both lining up at 342.50, but we're still not done. What else do you see at this level? Well, we also have a gap fill. Okay, what you guys will see is 2 days ago, you see we had this big gap down in the SPY. That's the day we gapped down like over 600 something points on the Dow. We had this big gap down. The NASDAQ was down like 4%. You had that big gap down day. And now we closed that gap. So that gap fill lines up with the 38.2 Fibonacci level, which also lines up with yesterday's high. This is how you guys conduct technical analysis to be able to determine the severity and the key, how key certain levels are. Because the more indicators that line up at one particular price point, the more significant you have a chance of that level becoming. And this is exactly what I said in my live stream yesterday at the 1 hour, 21 minute, 40-second mark. Go back, watch the video from there. You'll see me break it down. I talked about saying yesterday, guys, if we gap up tomorrow, meaning today, watch for us to not be able to get back above 342.50, because if we can't, watch, and I said this in the video yesterday, watch for us to roll over to go back down and test that 333 low. Well, let's fast forward now to today, and we get to today. Today, here's our gap up. Well, there's our gap up, and guess what, boys and girls? There's your resistance at 342.50, the exact same area we talked about yesterday. And then what happened? Bang! All the way down to retest what? 333. This is the last time I'm going to say this on this video. Go yesterday, watch the video I posted on this channel yesterday. Go to the 1 hour, 21 minute, 40-second mark. You will see that exact same analysis on this YouTube channel yesterday. If you guys want to be able to identify and conduct professional technical analysis, just like I did here on the SPY yesterday, and then see that price action and that analysis come to fruition the very next day, come in chat, trade with me live, take those 3 courses. They're guaranteed to make you guys better traders. It is just $3. Go to ttgthree.com. It's going to be the best $3 you've ever spent in your life. Comment on this video. After you go back and watch the video from last night, comment on this video. Tell me, guys, what you think. I'll see you guys in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.